Everyone, welcome back. Today I have someone super special to me. His name is Preston, and he is a super good friend. Huh? Are we buddies? Ah! Preston! Oh my gosh, I love you. Anyway, this is Preston. If you can tell, he is hilarious. Anyway, makes me laugh every time he comes. We have a blast cutting his hair. Yeah, he's usually doing something to me, tickling me, something. So we are going to cut his hair. We use a number 1. And something super fun about Preston, funny, is I always, after cutting his hair, before he will get out of my chair, I have to sweep because he will not step in any hair. Huh, Preston?
Yeah,
that's right. Yeah, so he does not like to step in hair. So that's what I have to do. Yeah, you like me to sweep it up, don't you, bud? And if I don't, he will tell me, he'll be pointing down like, excuse me, RaDona, get that hair off of the floor. Huh, bud?
Yeah, I think so.
Really? Hey, how was school today?
Thank you for the sandwich for her and had a cup of A.
Really? Oh my goodness. And who are you gonna marry?
Clam.
Okay,
yeah.
All right. Okay, but
he told me, he goes, see this right here? Husband. That's me.
That's me. So you're gonna be the husband, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, well that is pretty darn cool, bud.
Yeah.
I like that.
And I think of my dad and hey,
I love it. Well, that is awesome, bud.
Yeah, I'm saying we got to look pretty good.
Well, you are gonna look good when we are done, aren't we?
And so, I did for the dog and I gave her some ad, hanging in mother, and I just told her, and I just called her. And guess what? I just is enough because shut them out. I just stuck on cock it off. He told me.
Really?
He goes, you're pointing around and he told me.
And he told you to knock it off?
Yeah.
What the? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, he goes, hey. And he goes, stuff is rude. And he goes, stuff is a weirdo.
Oh my goodness. He did not call you a weirdo.
Yes, it is.
Oh my.
Preston needs to learn to mind his own business.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is that what your brother was telling you, to mind your own business?
Yeah, I'm saying.
Oh my gosh.
And so, he got me like 20 hurt. And upon a man, and he did, he got kept back in palms. And he got play a game. And the Lego, and the novel, and the trails too. And he can play a game. He can go stab me up there.
Oh, really? The games?
Yeah.
What game?
Lego.
Oh, Legos. Do you like Legos?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Only if it's on the Switch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, that makes sense then. That's cute. All right, we're gonna blend the sides now, you guys. I use my blending comb, and we go from where I've shaved up into this hair. Huh, Preston? You are awesome getting your hair cut. Is that what he said?
Yeah.
Oh my heck!
And under the yen and in the clip and thought and you know one that comes with my wife and
Your wife?
yeah. And the wedding and you go back and married and the ring and you go back and marry her and you what? You didn't even say okay, take a photo line.
Really?
Yeah, I think it's
So you talked to him about your wedding?
yeah, I think it's like it's on your following.
Okay.
RaDona's the queen of weddings, so.
So guess what? I can help with your wedding. How does that sound? That was sweet of you. Thank you.
Yeah, I can. How do you go back the outfit?
Yeah, you got to get an outfit. Preston loves to dress up as far as looking super nice. He loves to be in a suit and tie.
Yeah, I can.
Don't you, bud? Preston,
Yeah.
another thing about Preston, he loves shoes, don't you?
Yeah,
He
maybe
loves
heavy
shoes.
boots.
Cowboy boots.
Yeah,
Yeah, those are your favorite, aren't they, bud?
yeah.
He thinks if it says it on his shirt, he should wear it on his suit.
Oh, I
Yeah,
love
I
that.
Wants a Nike shirt, so he has Nike shoes.
Oh, nice. So you're matching.
He has Adidas, but now he got Puma shirt and a Puma backpack, but didn't get Puma shoes.
Oh, so now
He's
you,
not very happy.
yeah, if you could get that on
Yeah.
or get on that, Mom, that would be great.
He told me to get on the computer for JCPenney's and get it.
No way. That is hilarious.
Yeah.
You want your mom to get you some Puma shoes on JCPenney?
Yes, I'm looking on that.
Well, that's a great idea, bud.
Yeah, have you seen?
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, and so and you go man, and how you go what? So you go me? He goes really rude, and he goes stuff his outfit.
Really?
Yeah.
I
Oh,
was really hoping he'd be nervous and not say anything.
I love it. No, this is the best. This is the absolute best. And
Yeah,
especially when he says, wait,
yeah.
I don't know you. Like, what, Preston? You teaser.
Every 4 weeks.
Yep, every 4 weeks we hang out, right, bud?
Yeah, how you Maria's mom, and maybe the cousin bird, and how you go back after it,
Uh-huh.
and he just comes over and we're talking with my and he can go, hey Maya, and you go, hey, I think that's the fight tomorrow.
Really?
I just figured it.
So where is your brother? Is he working today?
Yeah.
I see.
Carson is the open.
Oh, Logan's at home today.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do your neckline, buddy.
Oh, really? Still.
Yeah, I just didn't know that.
Logan works at night.
Oh, that's right. I knew that because he always gets his haircut after he sleeps for the day. Okay, now we're going to do this other side. We're going to come straight over.
Yeah.
I'm going to round this. So school, can you tell him how old you are, Preston?
I think I did 21 because I played.
Oh,
And he was a simple class. And they go
do you like class? Do you like going to class?
Yeah.
That's good. Is that where you met your wife?
Yeah.
I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to find out who this one is.
Yep, you are. You are, because we're having a wedding.
Yeah.
He's gonna be a husband.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh, buddy?
Yeah, I got 23.
Oh, you are the best, bud.
See, I was looking at the back of his hair.
Uh-huh.
Do you think he's getting his allocation early on that?
Uh-uh.
No?
Nope.
Okay.
Nope.
Maybe it was
I
just the way
think
it was laying.
I think it was, because it looks good.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, I'm going to turn him to the mirror. We're gonna style this.
Okay.
Oh, you are looking good, buddy.
Yeah, he can. And so, how you get your hand and
Uh-huh.
how you get your cause and chip and Johnson, hey, because everybody's like, hey, I can look at it, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh
how you
my
go-
goodness.
doing that?
Yeah. Okay, we always have to wipe him off good, huh, bud?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, you look amazing, Preston.
Yeah.
What do you usually do to me?
Um,
What do you usually do when I'm cutting your hair?
how you go down here, color queen. You go play
tickle
the
me?
summies.
You do that?
You do it on that.
Now
He is always, oh yes. Anyway, he is always tickling me or telling me, oh, look over there. And so I'll look, huh?
And you go, how you go sad?
You
and he did color twig hair and
Really?
it was sunbeam. He would,
Yeah.
don't be doing that.
Oh, don't be doing that, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell everybody see ya? Can you bring your hand out and wave bye to them?
Yeah, he didn't understand.
Can you tell them, say, see you later? Can you look right here? Look, tell them see ya. Say, see you next time. He is the cutest. He is the best. Thank you, Preston, for letting us videotape. You are amazing. Okay, awesome. You guys have a great day. He always makes my day. I wanted to get him on here so he could make yours. He is seriously super special to me. I love him tons. So anyway, enjoy your day, you guys. And I'm sure as soon as we get done with this, he is going to be tickling me because he tickles me through every haircut. And that's the first time he hasn't tickled me. Huh? You tickle me. You tickle me every time. Yeah, see? How do you do it? What the?
Look,
Oh, I forgot my apron.
I got it.
You did get me. Okay, you guys, thanks so much. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you next time. See ya.